In Activity, you can choose Health Snapshot to help you easily understand your health status. Health Snapshot can measure several data at the same time, including pulse ox, pressure, heart rate, breath. It provides you a more accurate health data in a short time. You can also export the information to professionals. When you are measuring, please be seated in a comfortable position. Press the upper right key on the watch to enter the menu. Select Health Snapshot. If your wrist heart rate function is off, the watch will ask you to turn it on. After that, you can enter the Health Snapshot main screen. Press the upper right key to start measuring. Please wait for 2 minutes to finish. When the measurement is done, press checkmark to save the data. If you want to stop the measurement in the middle of the process, press the upper right key. Your watch will stop measuring and go back to the main screen. You can find the Health Snapshot widget in the widget glance afterward, and check your last measurement result via the widget. Now let's start using Health Snapshot to understand our body more.